The price of one Blur coin right now is $0.4222. It's 19% higher now than it was 24 hours ago. 48.11% of the time, the price of Blur ended higher than when it started the day. The most one Blur has ever been worth in our base is $0.790. That was 3 months ago, and the price is now minus 46.58% lower than that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and 7 of them say to buy and 8 say to sell. Based on technical price research, the short-term prediction sentiment is bearish. The first big uptrend resistance for Blur is at $0.4501. It needs to close above that level in order to keep going up. The bottom support for the trend is at $0.3762. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.3762. If it can close above $0.4501, on the other hand, it can go up to $0.5391, which is the next level of support. The Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the last 14 days is now at 58.83, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. Exponential moving averages show a bearish sign on the daily chart. The price of Blur is above the 10, 20, and 50-day exponential moving averages, but below the 100, 200, and 50-day exponential moving averages. Our Blur price estimate says that the price of Blur could reach $0.4662 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will reach $0.8912 in 2025 and $1.77 in 2030, taking all of the past highs and lower time frame predictions into account. The prediction for 2040 is $5.61. $0.8912 is what people think Blur will be worth in 2025. That's how much we think Blur will go up, and that's how much we think it will go down. The next few days will be Blur 23 Thursday, May the 24th, 2024, $0.458 Friday, May the 25th, 2024, $0.46725, $0.4455 on May the 26th, 2024, Saturday Sun, May the 20th, 2024, $0.479 Monday, May the 28th, 2024, $0.459 Tuesday, May the 20th, 2024, $0.461 Wednesday, May the 20th, 2024, $0.463 Thursday, May the 20th, 2024, $0.4631 Friday, May the 20th, 2024, $0.466. The price of Blur is $0.419897 right now, which is $0.283095 less than it was 3 months ago. As the market improves over the next 12 months, Blur is expected to grow a lot. At the moment, Blur is showing signs of going up, with a score of 79/100ths. It is thought that the Blur price will go up to $0.755815 by the end of 2023. Blur's price has gone up by 17.81% in the last 24 hours. After going through a bad market, Blur has seen a lot of growth in the past year. Blur is likely to hit a high point of $1.60 in the next few years thanks to its recent growth. Blur investors have made over 19.31% on their money this past week thanks to the bullish time the stock has been in. After looking at Blur's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little over the next few days.